Hey kids! Hi, let's meet our fruity friends. They feel happy, sad, and even a little mad sometimes. That's okay. Let's learn feelings together. Strawberry is happy. Look, Strawberry is feeling super happy. Strawberry's smiling, dancing all day, laughing and twirling, come on, hooray! When we feel happy, we laugh and play, just like Strawberry, it's a sunny day. Can you show me your happy face? Darn! Great job! Banana is sad, uh-oh, Banana looks a little sad. Banana's drooping eyes full of tears, he lost his toy, it disappeared. It's okay to cry when we feel blue, let's give a hug, Banana needs you. Can you make a sad face? That's okay, we all feel sad sometimes. Now your orange is angry, Orange looks really mad, let's help him calm down. Orange is frowning, stomping his feet, his block tower fell down, oh no, what a feat. When we feel mad, we count to 4, breathe in and out, we're calm once more. Let's try it together. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. Feel better? Feelings come and feelings go. It's okay to let them show. Happy, sad, or feeling mad, talk it out. You'll feel so glad. Grape has something important to say. Grape says, friends, no need to hide. We all have feelings deep inside. Smile or frown, it's all okay. Just share your heart and feel your way. You did amazing! Remember, all feelings are okay. Thanks for singing with us. Happy, sad, or mad, we're all still friends. See you next time. Fruity friends.